Hi, welcome to 247 Tech. In this video we are going to unpair this Mpow 059 Bluetooth headset. Now to pair it, we first need to turn this on, so just hold this. So now it said power on. The audio was there. So to pair it, just hold this for a few seconds. It says pairing and the two lights start blinking. Now this is in this mode. I'm turning on my Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth is now on. Going to the Bluetooth, and then here Mpow. Now it's searching for the available devices, and you will see the Mpow 059. Just touch it. It says pairing. It says connected, and also voice prompt said that it is connected. Now I'm gonna play some audio. So excellent quality. You can hear audio. So to increase the volume, just so when it reaches to the maximum,
maximum volume. Coin goes global and can maximum volume, maximum volume, maximum volume, maximum volume.
so it says maximum volume. So now let me reduce the audio.
Now you predicted Bitcoin's 1,000-fold increase back in 2011, and indeed from $1 in February 2011, your record high.
So it makes a beep when it reaches the minimum. Now let's go up.
Now, why does it keep growing, and is there any price limit for Bitcoin?
Maximum volume.
There is a price limit.
So it says maximum volume. Now I'm pressing this next button. Let's see, this video is a playlist, so we can go to the next track. Let's see if this works. Yes, I just pressed it and it went to the next track. So let me do it again. Another track. So it works perfectly with YouTube as well. And now let's pause the video, see if it works. Yes, the pause is also working on a video, so it means with audio it works, but I was just testing it to see if it can work with video. Yeah, played and stopped, so that's nice. While the video was playing, I went to the second floor, from the ground floor to the first floor. Absolutely perfect, high quality, good audio. But as soon as I moved to the second floor on the stairs, at the middle of second floor, it starts some disconnection or stop and start of audio. And when I went to the second floor fully, as I moved from the ground floor to the first and second floor, on the second floor the audio was just coming and going. So it doesn't work if there is two stories between you and the device. So it can go only from one floor to another floor. Perfectly, it works, but other than that, it will not. Conclusion is that this is one of the best headphones that you can get with a price. This doesn't have the noise cancellation, but the other all aspects of this device with a price is amazing. If you want to get the noise cancellation and a headphone with such quality, you will pay 5 to 10 times more. So definitely I will recommend this product. I have no affiliation with this Mpow brand, but recommending this based on my test. Thank you for watching. Please thumb up the video, please share it, and also subscribe to get updates of my upcoming video. And also please subscribe, as I will get a lot of other products for review, so you can get updates.